Hi students, welcome to the third session of Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Let's have a glance of beekeeping. Honey bee is an economically important insect which plays a vital role in the life of man. Honey bees are best known for its two products, honey and beeswax. Honey is a food of high nutritive value and also finds use in the indigenous systems of medicine. Honey bee also produces beeswax, which finds many uses in industries such as in the production of cosmetics, polishes, etc. Beekeeping or apiculture is the process and maintenance of honey bee colonies and their hives for the production of honey and various other products like beeswax, pollen, royal jelly, etc. The place where the bees are reared is called an apiary. It has been an age-old cottage industry. The increased demand of honey has led to large-scale beekeeping practices. It has become an established income-generating industry, whether practiced on a small scale or a large scale. Beekeeping can be practiced in any area where there are sufficient bee pastures of some wild shrubs, fruit orchards, and cultivated crops. In India, 4 species of honeybees are found. Of these, 3 are indigenous species, while 1 is exotic. Apis dorsata, Apis indica, Apis florea are indigenous species of honeybees, while Apis mellifera is an exotic variety. Let's have a look into indigenous species of honeybees. Apis dorsata. It is commonly known as rock bee or giant bee. It is large in size and very ferocious. They are generally found in wild and very hard to tame. Apis indica, commonly known as Indian oriental bee. They are very gentle and can be domesticated easily. It may also found in wild. Apis florea is very small and very docile, but it is a low-yielding species and is thus uneconomical. Of these, the most common species is Apis indica. Beehives can be kept in one's courtyard, on the veranda, or on the roof of the house. Beekeeping is not labor intensive. To increase the honey production, an exotic breed is introduced in India. It is Apis mellifera, which is commonly known as Italian bee. It is very easy to control. It yields good quality of honey and it also gives good quantity of honey. Beekeeping, though relatively easy, does require some specialized knowledge and there are several organizations that teach beekeeping. The following points are important for successful beekeeping. Knowledge of the nature and habits of bees, selection of suitable location for keeping the beehives, catching and hiving of swarms, management of beehives during different seasons, and handling and collection of honey and of beeswax. Bees are the pollinators of many of our crop species such as sunflower, brassica, apple, and pear. Keeping beehives in crop fields during flowering period increases pollination efficiency and improves the yield, beneficial both from the point of view of crop yield and honey yield. Beekeeping is an important agri-business that not only promises good returns to the farmers but also help in increasing the agriculture productivity. Let's have a look into fisheries. A large number of our population is dependent on fish, fish products, and other aquatic animals such as prawn, crab, lobster, edible oyster, etc. for food. Fish and other seafoods are rich in proteins and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Fishery is an industry devoted to the catching, processing or selling of fish, shellfish or other aquatic animals. Fisheries provide income and employment to millions of fishermen and farmers living in the coastal areas of India. Fisheries can be basically of two types: inland fishery and marine fishery. Inland fishery is the rearing of fish and other aquatic animals in fresh waters like rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Marine fishery is the catching and processing of marine animals like fish, oysters, crabs, prawns, etc. Some of the freshwater fishes are katla, rohu, labio, common carp, catfish, etc. Some of the marine fishes sold in Indian markets are sardine, mackerel, bombay duck, tuna, hilsa, etc. In order to meet the high demand of fish and other seafood, farmers have started cultivating them in artificial ponds. Fishes are cultivated in large tanks in controlled environment and they are provided with food. Cultivating both fishes and prawns together is called aquaculture, while cultivating only fish is called pisciculture. These have led to the development and flourishing of the fishery industry and has brought a lot of income to the farmers in particular and the country in general. Both aquaculture and pisciculture increase the availability of seafood extensively. This increase in seafood production is known as Blue Revolution. In this session, you have learned about beekeeping and fisheries. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you and have a nice time.